The 1974 Ford Maverick GT 302 LB5E represents a fascinating chapter in Ford's history, particularly for enthusiasts of classic muscle cars. While the Maverick was introduced as a compact car aimed at providing affordability and practicality, the GT 302 variant showcases Ford's attempt to blend performance with everyday usability. This analysis delves into the car's design, performance, historical context, and its place within the automotive landscape. Design and styling. The 1974 Maverick GT 302 maintains the distinctive styling cues that characterize the Maverick series, but with enhancements that set it apart from its more pedestrian siblings. Key design elements include: the Maverick GT features a more aggressive and sporty appearance compared to standard models. It includes a bold front grille, dual headlights, and a distinctive hood scoop. The GT trim also adds sportier bumper designs and side stripes, enhancing its visual appeal. The 1974 Maverick GT is a compact car with a relatively small footprint. Its dimensions include an overall length of around 176 inches, a width of approximately 71 inches, and a height of about 53 inches. Despite its compact size, the Maverick offers a spacious interior for its class. Inside, the Maverick GT provides a driver-focused cockpit with sport bucket seats, a sporty steering wheel, and unique trim elements that set it apart from the base models. The interior design is functional, with a focus on driver comfort and ergonomics. Performance and engine. At the heart of the 1974 Maverick GT 302 LB5E is the 302 cubic inch, 5.0-liter V8 engine, known for its robust performance and reliability. The 302 V8 engine is a key feature of the GT model, delivering a balance of power and torque. In 1974, it was rated at approximately 140 horsepower due to tightening emissions regulations and changing market demands. This engine is known for its smooth performance and decent acceleration, making it suitable for both everyday driving and spirited weekend outings. The Maverick GT was offered with both manual and automatic transmission options. The manual transmission provides a more engaging driving experience, while the automatic offers convenience for daily driving. Suspension and handling. The GT trim includes sportier suspension components compared to standard models, enhancing handling and cornering abilities. The car features a front independent suspension and a rear leaf spring setup, which, while not as advanced as modern systems, offers a good balance of comfort and performance for its time. Market position and legacy. By 1974, the market for muscle cars was shrinking due to increasing fuel prices and stricter emissions regulations. The Maverick GT, with its compact size and relatively efficient V8 engine, positioned itself as a performance-oriented yet practical choice for buyers looking for a blend of sportiness and economy. While the Maverick GT 302 LB5E may not have achieved the iconic status of some of its muscle car contemporaries, it remains a respected and cherished model among classic car enthusiasts. Its blend of performance and practicality, combined with its distinctive design, ensures its place in automotive history. Conclusion. The 1974 Ford Maverick GT 302 LB5E is a noteworthy example of Ford's ability to adapt to changing market conditions while still offering a performance-oriented vehicle. With its distinctive design, robust V8 engine, and place in the shifting automotive landscape of the early 1970s, the Maverick GT 302 LB5E stands out as a significant model in Ford's history and a cherished piece of classic car heritage.